Fortune 500 company or a startup in your basement, you probably have documents that you prefer to keep protected. Well, one Israeli company is now offering the tools to help. Joining us in the studio to tell us more is Kfir Kimi, the CEO of ITsMine. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for inviting me.
All right, so what does ITsMine do exactly? And I love the name, ITsMine.
Yeah. So basically what we are doing is helping companies to protect the data. We're creating a minefield inside of their organization. So it's basically, we created a new technology. We call it software mines. This is where the name came from.
Okay.
And it's basically data that is implemented inside of the organization assets, and it's data that no one should access.
So if somebody does happen to access this data, what happens?
So it depends. So the data looks like regular data of the organization.
Yeah, you think it's fine, you see it, if you're a hacker, everything seems good, and then?
And then, if they touch the data, if they try to encrypt it, trying to change it, trying to delete it, we immediately block them.
Interesting, okay.
And if it's an internal employee, which is, again, it's a very big problem in large organizations.
Right, this happens.
Exactly. So when they touch the data, we zoom into the data itself. We zoom into what they're trying to do.
Okay.
And according to it, we decide whether to block them, to educate them, or to try to understand and obtain more evidence against that employee.
Okay, so this is great. Now, how did you guys come up with this solution?
So I've been in Checkpoint as a security architect for more than 10 years.
Wow.
And worked with large organizations and saw the problems that companies have with protecting their data.
Right.
There are solutions. The main solution in that area is called DLP, data leakage prevention, and it's not working for companies. So this is where
So you really have created a method to kind of deal with this. And obviously private documents are not just something that companies have, individuals have them as well. So I'm sure that this technology can work for a lot of different clients as well.
Right.
Well, interesting. I guess the final question for you is, we have limited time, but what is the next step for the company?
So the next step as a company is to get into the US customers. We currently have 2 POCs running in the US, but we want to make it much larger. We're looking for companies that working for regulation, needs to meet with HIPAA regulation, and we know how to help them. So this is where we come in and trying to help them.
All right, well, American business owners watching, this is your man, right? All right, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.